How to disconnect someone from Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disconnect someone from Snapchat. So the thing here right here is you will need to open up your Snapchat, then tap on the top left corner. After you do that, tap on the settings icon on the top right, then scroll down. Right here, you'll find session management under my account section. Head over there. Now, here you'll find all of the sessions or all of the devices your account is on. To delete one, all you have to do is select an account and then simply tap on the cross button. After you cross it, the account will be logged out from the other device. And this is very useful when you have shared or someone else has your Snapchat account. So come to this session management section and simply tap on the cross and it will log out from there. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.